What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the Maserati Alfieri, the Ferrari Roma has been modified by Novitec. And can you make a more beautiful car even more beautiful and powerful? Novitec tries to answer that question. So, like other tuners, Novitec chooses to keep its custom projects simple, and the latest on the Ferrari Roma is no exception. Unless you're a big fan of the modern car maker, it's really hard to find out what's new on the outside of the two-door coupe. Now, all the various additional components were not installed so randomly, as they were designed in the wind tunnel. In addition to increasing the Roma's appeal, the various parts also improved aerodynamics. Now, the main innovations include the chin spoiler connected to the original bumper, various decorative elements under the headlights, a carbon fiber grille, carbon fiber exterior mirror caps, a spoiler on the trunk lid, inserts for the diffuser, and a cover for the retractable rear wing and bezels for the taillights. Now, the new wheels featured on this special Ferrari Roma were made in collaboration with Volson and feature a central locking system. They can be ordered in 3 different designs and in one of 72 available colors. Now, with a 5 twin spoke design, the wheels measure 9x21 at the front and 12x22 at the rear, and they are paired with sticky tires with the dimensions of 255/30 at the front and 315/25 at the rear. And there is no shortage of sport springs made by the tuning company that lower the ground clearance by about 35 millimeters. And it is possible to raise the front of the coupe by 40 millimeters thanks to the lift kit also made by Novitec. Now, this feature also makes it easier to overcome bumps or garage ramps and allow you to keep the front of the car intact. You can reset the car's ride height by pressing the same button you used to lower it, or once you have reached speeds above 80 kilometers an hour. And as far as performance is concerned, Novitec has decided to optimize the 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine of the Ferrari Roma, modify controls for the electronic powertrain management system, N-Tronic control module, and other special touches now allow the Roma to develop 704 PS of power at 7,400 RPM and 882 Nm of peak torque. And as standard, the engine delivers 620 horsepower between 5,750 and 7,500 RPM and 760 Nm between 3,000 and 5,750 RPM. So the sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers takes just 3.2 seconds instead of 3.4 seconds, and from 0 to 200 kilometers in 8.9 seconds instead of 9.3 seconds, with a top speed of 325 kilometers instead of 320 kilometers. So with that said, very subtle small improvements here and there, but what do you guys think about the already beautiful Ferrari Roma tuned by Novitec to be even greater? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this Novitec tuned out Ferrari Roma. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate the love and support. Now, you guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you want hoodies, long sleeve shirts, tank tops, stickers, everything Ron's Rides. I'm also on Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok. See everything I'm posting on Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.